Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Amazon affiliate link for a product. So first things first, you want to turn on the site Stripe setting on your Amazon account. You just want to go to account settings option, and when you see site Stripe, you want to turn on that option. And then basically guys, you want to do this, okay? You want to come to your Amazon. When this option is on, when you're on any page on Amazon, okay, any product, you'll see this site Stripe on. You just want to click on get for each image or text plus image, or you can do custom as well, depending on what you would like to add to your website. So if you want just text, you can choose just text, and basically you can set it for link to open a new tab, new board, like that. So if you only want text, you just not get text thing, or if you want a whole thing with image, you can get that as well and add it to your website. Basically, that is going to create affiliate links with when you have Amazon site stripes. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. All you need to do is first enable site stripe on your Amazon account. It's literally that easy and simple. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you're still having trouble. I'll actually help you out in the comments. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys in the next video.